This is the men's waistcoat. This is a muslin fabric only for the tight fit. How you can the stitch men's waistcoat. If you make the original fabric, you can put the fusing whole front. I am not going to fuse this material because this is just only for the fit. This is the muslin fabric. Cut two piece. This one is back. You don't fuse the back, you just fuse only front and facing. Don't fuse the back. Here is dart. And this one is facing, so you can fuse the whole facing with light fusing, and upper part you can fuse the heavy fusing, little bit heavy according to facing, because if you fuse the both the front and the facing, you use the same fusing, it's too heavy. That's why I'm saying to you, you can fuse the facing lightweight fusing, and upper part you can fuse heavy fusing. Okay. And this is the facing, and this one is back facing, and you don't fuse the back facing, you just fuse only front facing. Or front facing you can fuse only like this, or you can fuse the whole all over, no problem. Okay, let's start. And this one is chest pocket, and this is a pocket bone. Four part is pocket bone and two part is pocket facing. This is a pocket lining, this one is pocket lining. And this one is front lining, and this one is back lining. Okay, this one is back lining, front lining, back lining, pocket. First I am going to attach the center back and dart. You can just take 1 centimeter seam allowance in center back seam, and all over is 1 centimeter margin. 1 centimeter you take, and after stitching you can put dart according to mark. Here is 0, bottom area is 0, and take according to mark and stop according to mark. Okay. And after that you can put dart seam in the front. This dart is already cut. You can just take 1 centimeter seam allowance and stitch that, and stop here and stitch till here. Take 1 centimeter seam allowance. And same stitch lining part, take 1 centimeter seam allowance in center back, and start here and stop till bottom area. Okay. And this one is front facing. And this one is front lining. You can just attach, take 1 centimeter seam allowance. Okay.